Linilinis niya yung marumi mong kaisipan. Linilinis niya ang mali mong pananaw. You need the word to cleanse you. Kasi ang katotohanan ay kailanman hindi pwedeng baguhin ng pangyayari. Ang sabi ng Lord, meron kang patotoo sapagkat from the beginning, I was being with you. While you were yet sinners, I have already loved you. Maging nung panahon na hindi mo pa kinikilala ang Diyos, minahal ka na ng Diyos. How much more now that you are His son, you are His daughter, you will now experience that love. It is because you now begin to know Him more and more and more. And John 15 verse 26 tells us that it is the ministry of the Holy Spirit to reveal the Father to you. Now that the Holy Spirit is beginning to reveal more who the Father is, you become rich. Nalalaman mo na meron ka pala nito, and so you are now beginning to use it. You now begin to display the goodness of the Father in your life, and that is your role now to testify. He wanted you first to become a credible witness, a powerful witness. Hindi nila pwedeng baliin yung isasabihin mo. Why? Because naranasan mo eh. Balik-balik ta rin man nila yung pangyayari, hindi mababago yung testify mo. Why? That is the truth.